we hustle, but it's the way I'm trying to get it. Devil on my shoulders, trying to touch a million. Racing in them coupes, flying in them Bentleys. But where I'm from, niggas shoot it till it's empty. Everything real I spit, so them niggas feel me. $100 come ups, $1,000 dreams. You know the little saying ain't all what it seems. So you know I gotta get it, and get it by the means. The mind of a traveler, but bundling in Queens, yeah. My niggas like Cheetah, how they touch base. Canary yellow diamonds on the watch face. These niggas ain't even artists, they all trace me. The landlord, I want the rent like KD. Yeah, the same niggas you party with. Be the same niggas to get you hit. But I'm trying to get it like Tommy Buns and Belly. So the game let me roll in like Kelly. I got a thing for bomber jackets and farm whips. Chrome lips, true denims, LeBout kicks. So they say the game is all about materialism. So I spit about that life so they feel my rhythm. But reality, nigga, I'm from the bottom tier. With most people my age, they don't make it out of here. Vivid thoughts, imaginating the perfect picture. Big house, black cars, Italian linen. A wife that handle the mic, no Robin Gibbons. This is more than a dream, now it's a transition. We laugh at death knowing that time kill. I need them Buffalo linemen, that's large bills. Being broke is a curse, nigga. Being broke is a curse, nigga. So I'm trying to get money, get rich, nigga. Cause being broke is a curse, nigga.